single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheena. In case you're watching my video for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of my upcoming new videos. And in case you have been watching my videos, thank you so very much for being part of it. So आज के वीडियो में हम एक ऐसा मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल करने वाले हैं which is basically a soft makeup look, or you can call it no makeup look basically, which we can carry to our office, any formal setup. And in case you are a college going girl, then this is it for you, because today's makeup will be all about, to look and get that even tone, to look fresh, and without any much makeup visible to others. So let's quickly get into it. Alright, to get started, we're gonna first moisturize our face as always, and I'm gonna use my favorite Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer with SPF 15. Now, moisturizing in this particular look is very very important because हम ज़्यादा makeup use नहीं करने वाले हैं, कोई ज़्यादा base, foundation, nothing. So it's important that our skin looks well hydrated और उसको ज़्यादा base की और foundation की ज़रूरत ही ना लगे. So I'm gonna take little moisturizer, apply it all over my face like I always do. Alright, done. So guys, before I actually go on to my next step, I really want to talk about something with respect to this moisturizer or any product that I show in my video is something that suits my skin. These are all suggestive. Please pick your products very very carefully that should suit your skin. I have a very very oily skin, sensitive and acne prone skin, so I pick up products, I do a patch test of it, and then probably I pick up products that best suit to me. And various brands offer various products that might suit your skin or not suit your skin. So please do not buy products just after watching the video or any other video, for example. Alright, moving on to my next step, which is foundation. But for this no makeup look, I am not gonna use foundation. I will directly jump on to concealer. So for concealing, I am using again my concealer from the brand Maybelline, which is in the shade Golden number 36. Now as you see, I've only applied concealer under my eyes because I have little discoloration there, and because my eyes are deep setted, it gives me that shadow look, so to cover that, and then on the high points of my face. Now according to your skin type, please choose to delete and add products accordingly. If you feel that you need a foundation, please go ahead. If you feel there are other areas on your face that you need to conceal, please do it accordingly. I'm using this damp beauty blender to quickly blend the concealer. Alright, I'm done with concealer. Now I'm gonna quickly lock the areas which I have concealed with my compact powder, which is from the brand Maybelline Fit Me range in the shade Natural Ivory. And then softly on my entire face. Now please make sure when you're applying compact powder, you should take your compact powder till end into your hairline so that it gives you an even tone all over your face. Now I'm gonna take this fluffy brush, which is a blush brush basically, and I'm gonna wipe off the excess compact powder which is there under my eyes and all over my face. Since we are wanting this look to be very soft and subtle, So I am not gonna do any contouring, anything, because I just want my face to look presentable without much makeup appearing and visible to others. Next, I'm gonna do my brows. Alright, for next step, now you can always avoid this step, which is eyeshadow for this particular look, but I'm gonna use little eyeshadow in a very, very natural color just to give that nice shadow effect. So for that, I am using my same Nykaa eyeshadow palette, and from this particular palette I'm gonna use this particular color, which is in a very, very natural shade, little peachish brownish shade. That's it. So idea is not to make it really visible, but then you get that little complete look. And I'm gonna use same color and put it under my lower eyelash. Now for next step, you can again choose to skip this step because I'm going to line my eyes now. But if you want a very, very soft and natural look to your eyes, you can keep it as is. But I'm gonna line my eyes very slightly with this mini sketch pen from Faces Canada, which is in the shade black. Alright, I'm done with my eyeliner. Now you can choose to add kajal to your lower eyelash. Right now I'm gonna skip it because I want my eyes to look little bigger and soft. So I'm gonna skip kajal and I'll quickly move on to mascara. Now coming on to lip color. Now for this you can choose to either use very, very nude and soft lip shade that goes with your makeup look, or you can also choose to kind of pop your lips with a little darker shade, since you have kept your rest of the makeup very, very soft and nude. But I am gonna use a little nude shade here, a very soft shade from the brand Nykaa. This is in the shade Bombay 01. Alright, we are done with our lip shade. Now at the end, to highlight my face a little, I am not gonna use highlighter. Rather, I use a trick most of the times when I do not want to use a highlighter or I do not want that glitter to appear on my face. I take my moisturizer again, very tiny drop here, and I'm gonna apply it just on the areas where I need highlighting, and I'm gonna wipe it off. Similarly on the other side. Now if you see that I have not put any highlighter, but it still gives that highlighting effect. So if you do not want that glitter on your face, use this trick. It really works for me. At times I do not have a highlighter in my kit, or I do not want to apply highlighter. So this really comes handy to me. So this is one tip which I use and kind of works for me. Similarly on the nose, because what happens is that you've used powder based product on the base of your face. Now applying this little creamy product will definitely give you that shine. So that's one thing that works for me. Okay, and I'm gonna take and put it here on the temples. So when you go into daylight or anything, it will give you that little glow on your face naturally. Above my lips, little on the lower side, and that's it, we are done. Alright, with this my look is complete, and this is what no makeup look looks to me. Let's take a final look.